Welcome to the Playbook. The first section we're going to address, you can just skip over the contents for the sake of time here, is the mission and the values behind Powur. And it's really so critical that every single one of us really thinks deeply about why we are doing this business, about the passion and the purpose behind why you are doing this business. And here's what I can promise you, here's what I can guarantee you. The more passionate you are and the more purposeful that you are for why you're doing this business, the bigger you will succeed. Elon Musk, Larry Page, Richard Branson, Jeff Bezos, all the biggest entrepreneurs on our planet of today have repeatedly said that it's the purpose, it's the passion behind why they do what they do that fueled their massive success. So it's not just this intangible thing. The more passionate, the more purposeful you are, the greater you will succeed. So with that, let's dive in to the mission, the vision, and the values of what we are up to here at Powur. Now, first and foremost, we are shifting the world to clean energy. Specifically, we're decentralizing the energy system. We're shifting the world from centrally controlled, dirty power and enabling people to have clean power from their own rooftops. Okay, that is a power shift, both literally and metaphorically, like the world has never seen. We literally now control our own power. We are producers of energy. We're producers of power. Your own rooftop is the power source. We no longer rely. We're no longer dependent on these monopoly utilities that have taken advantage of us and continue to rate hike and rate hike and rate hike and control our energy and control our power for so long. And number two, the second component of that is we are shifting the wealth. Because as we shift the literal power, how we produce energy, we shift the literal wealth. So we're changing the old guard and changing the wealth away from these monopoly utilities and shifting that wealth back into the hands of people like you and your friends and your contacts and everyone who's involved with power and all the people who are involved in the solar industry. Millions and millions of people stand to benefit as the world shifts to renewable energy, and Powur and you are at the forefront of that entire revolution. So that's something that gets us out of bed every single day, knowing that the actions we take are going to impact our planet for centuries to come. And I think it's worthwhile for you to also take some time to really ingest the core values that drive this company and see if those core values resonate with you and if you're excited to play a bigger game than you've ever played before, to use your talents and your energy and your resources helping to solve one of the planet's biggest challenges and to challenge yourself to grow as a human being, as an entrepreneur, so that you can really reach your full potential in life and create your dreams and make your dreams happen. So with that, Jim, I'm going to turn it over to you to discuss what's next.
Well, the what's next, as Jonathan said, is what actually fuels you. And when you think about what fuels you, what is it that every single day is going to get you out of bed and get you focused on creating this incredible business? So, number one, what is your why? When you registered as a Powur partner, when you made that decision, when you stepped into this opportunity, what was it that fueled you? Is it because you wanted to make a big impact in the world? Is it because you want to leave the planet better for future generations? Is it because right now in your time, in your life, you want to leave a legacy? You want to build a financial foundation? What is it that got you to say, this is right for me right now? So that's number one. Just go ahead and take a few notes, write it down. You'll be amazed when you look at this in 6 months, a year, 2 years, how much you've grown and how much you've accomplished in a short time. So that's number one. Number two, we want to write down a few of your goals. When you succeed at Powur, and you will succeed because we're going to walk you step by step how to do this, and you've got an incredible team that's behind you, that's lifting you up to succeed. When you succeed, what did you personally want to accomplish? Did you want to maybe to develop some passive income to pay for a cell phone or to pay for a vehicle or to pay for a home? Did you want to build a tribe or a team of people who are passionate and committed so you've got a new family, a new connection, a new group that you can achieve things with? You know, did you want to get your physical health in shape? You know, one of the things Jonathan and I often talk about is, yes, we're building a business. Yes, we're changing the world. And at the same time, we've got lives and families and health and all kinds of things that we want to see grow and prosper in this. So go ahead and take a moment right now, just 30 seconds, and write down what are the goals that you want to accomplish. If you could wave a magic wand and 6 months, 6 years down the road, you've achieved everything you want, go ahead and write that down. So we'll give you about a minute or two to do that, and then we'll come back with our next video.